Jewelry, by BDK, handmade magic in every hue, color in the beat, story in the line, art on your skin, let your spirit shine. Jewelry by BDK, bold, divine, crafted with love, one beat at a time. Wear your truth, let your style speak loud. This is jewelry by BDK. Stand strong, stand proud.
Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Hope everybody is having a really good day. We're just going to go ahead and make another pair of quick earrings. And I call these Boho Bites because the videos are so fast and they're quick to make. It's not like it's a 25 or 30-minute video or even a 20-minute video. And it only takes a couple of minutes to make a pair of earrings, right? So generally, like I said, I don't turn the video on because it's so quick. But Darlene, somebody else might want to see what you're making. So I figure we would go ahead and start turning the camera on. And then that way you can see, like even some quick little earrings and stuff that I make. Because a lot of times I'll sit here and I'm making things and I won't turn the camera on for that reason because the video is so quick. But I'm going to change that up and start just turning the camera on. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to use these. I got these little, I think they're like penguins. I don't know what they are, but little birds from, was it Michael's? It was either Michael's or Joann's. I don't remember which store it was, but I am going to go ahead and use these, and then I'm going to use these glass beads right here to make just some cute earrings that I need to make. And I think, let me see, do I want to just put this on here now, or do I want to put something between it? Let me see. Come on now, there we go. And then put this one on here. And put that one on there. And then that'll give us a different cute little pair of earrings. And then let's see. So we're going to go ahead and fold it down. This wire looks like a yellowish color wire, and I'm using it because it does match, with the little birdie. So we're going to close this down. Just want to wrap it 1 or 2 times. So just 1 or 2 times. Oh, I think I'm going to take it down right there too. And then bring it back up. Add a little something to it. And then we will cut. We're going to cut that little extra off. Put our thumb right there. And the reason why I put my thumb on the wire when I cut it is to prevent the wire from flying. Because you can cut it and that wire will fly, and you don't want it to fly in your eye or hit you in the face or anything like that. So this is going to be an easy pair of little earrings. And I think what I'm going to do for these, I'm going to put a jump ring at the bottom as well. Or I could put a charm, but I think a jump ring will work. And then I really don't like the way the yellow wire looks with it. Let me see something. And I'm still finish them because somebody might like them. So let's just do. Just gonna go ahead and close it off. Go ahead and wrap that wire around, and it's real yellow. I didn't think it was gonna be this kind of yellow, but that's a little too yellow. Sometime, it'll match, and sometime it don't. In this case, it does not really match to me, but Oh, those are not bad. And then we're just going to use this other jump ring. Like that. Oh, I kind of like those. And they're different. Just like really different. So let's do this. Let's put some ear wires on them. And see, earrings don't be taking long at all. You know, and this is like a 5-minute video. They be quick. So to me, I'd be like, ain't no need even turning the camera on. Nope, they're still designs. So, and somebody might have some of these birds somewhere in their little drawer or containers and be like, I don't know what to do with them little birds. Well, we can definitely make some cute little earrings out of them. That's for sure. Yep, I think they're cute. I really don't like the yellow wire right here. I would prefer gold wire, and I would prefer the gold wire so the gold wire would match down here. But if it was a different type of yellow, I think I would kind of go for it. But, you know, I'm not going to take them apart. I'm going to just go ahead and, you know, leave them like this. They're still cute. Cute little pair of earrings. You can throw in your special bucket for a special price. So cute. I don't know if I got these at, did they have these at Michael's or Joann's? I don't even remember, but they had these on there and some other type of little animals. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and try those because I don't be liking to use little animal beads and all that kind of stuff. But I said, I'm going to go ahead and take them and then see what I could do with them. And I may have gotten them on sale. That's probably why I was encouraged to buy them. So this is what these look like. But anyway, Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. And guess what? We'll talk.